Yeah, it's what they want, it's what they been waiting on. Never underestimate the fire, nigga. For real. Yeah. Before these niggas, I got them. I put them Maserati. See how you rappers for habits. Bitch, on me court ain't nobody. I used to say that boy mouth. I hit your hoe, well, I'm sorry. I speed it all on her body. I'm in the hood, I do the week. But you ain't from the project. These niggas talking about hoes. We pulling up at they shows. 100 niggas, 100 choppers. We all trained to go. It's on my floor, you know. But that's a whole nother topic. I can't spit no true shit now. But tell these niggas I got it. 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 Somebody call the pussy nigga. I got it. 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 Yeah. Somebody please tell these niggas I'ma keep fucking that yo. You know what you mean? I'm gonna keep rocking these shows. Tell these niggas I got it. What's on that? Shot it gonna be the easy. I got it. I got it.
What's good, everybody? Lewis from Midwest Customs. Suicide doors are done. Y'all need it done. I'm at 2701 Strawberry Road, Pasadena, Texas. 77502. Phone number 281-888-1947. I also got a new website, MidwestCustomsTX.com. Follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. We're all over. Swing around it one more time.
See, that little song got me hot. Now I need all that you got. And no 911 shit. You broke in your daddy's spot. We know. Use a dope, use a hoe. That's for sure. Pillow talk to these hoes on the low. That my style, that my flow. And you know. How the hell they gon' say that? You see the difference between me and you. Yeah. Is that you lie about the things you do? Yeah. And you might talk that life, but you ain't about that life. But tell these niggas I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it. Somebody call the pussy nigga, I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it. Yeah. Somebody please tell these niggas I'ma keep fucking that hoe. I'm gonna keep rocking these shows. Tell this nigga I got it. So everybody, so it's gonna be that easy. I got it. I got it.
See you when I see you.